Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to list items on the Steam market quickly and easily. First, open your Steam app, then log in with your account name and password. Next, once you're logged in, head to your homepage and click on the Community tab. From the drop-down, select Market. This is where all the buying and selling happens. After that, click on Sell an Item in the top right corner. This will open your inventory. Take a moment to browse through your items and choose the one you want to sell. Click on it to proceed. Now, set your price and quantity. You can check the current market prices to help decide. Make sure your price is competitive but still worth your time. Enter the details carefully and double check everything. To complete, confirm your listing. Steam will ask you to approve it via email or the mobile app. Keep an eye out for the confirmation request and approve it promptly. Once confirmed, your item is officially listed on the Steam market. It's now visible to potential buyers and ready to be sold. And that's it. You've just listed an item on the Steam market. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.